Hi, my name's Kim. I live in Colorado. I've been struggling with problems with my teeth since I was 9 years old. That's when I had my first root canal. And I lived in a family that had nutritious food and good hygiene, but my father had the same issues as did my half-brother, so there's something genetic with it. They tried to save my teeth for years and years by doing root canals and various procedures and an implant here and there. Finally, my son-in-law came to the Smile Clinic in Utah. He traveled from Colorado. The clinic here has a setup for people from out of state that's just awesome. There's a hotel practically in the parking lot. And he came back and he was just a changed person. He had lost all his teeth in the military and what they gave him was so substandard. And the 3-on-6, he was a new man. He could eat different stuff. And I said, you know, we got to travel to Utah to do this. You know, we'll do it. Finally, my husband and I just made the decision we're going to go back to Dr. Roberts, the one who created this, the one who did our son-in-law's implants and 3-on-6.
All right, so Kim is here for her finals today. So Morgan got out her temporary teeth and put her finals in. I'm going to check them out, make sure everything is fitting really well.
The temps I had for these while it was healing for 3 months were better than the teeth I had had before. I'm really, really happy. Dr. Roberts seems to be extremely knowledgeable, and all the staff here is just great. I'm real happy with the results so far.
All right, so we've got your final teeth in there now. How are they feeling?
They feel good, really
Feeling good? Feeling like your teeth? All right. Want to take a look at them?
Yeah, I do. Oh yeah, they're so much better. They look like the teeth I grew up with instead of what I had from the last time this happened.
Yeah. Yeah, they're looking really good, looking really nice and beautiful.
I mean, they're not perfect, but they look like my teeth. So
look like your
that's
teeth,
what
right?
I wanted.
Natural.
Mm-hmm. Thank you, I'm so happy.
You're so welcome. Worth the journey?
Yes, yes. The 3-on-6 procedure at the Smile Clinic is awesome. I have had several things to try, like full plate dentures, just implants plus bridges and all different solutions, and this is by far the absolute best solution there is. And my son-in-law did it here with Dr. Roberts in Utah, and he's had his for about 3 years, I think, and it's just wonderful. It's changed his life, so it's going to change mine too.